Here's a story from The World.
Okay, Marco, I have a question for you now. Do you play chess?
I do occasionally.
Are you any good?
I'm no grandmaster for sure. I get distracted way too easily, but I practice. It's a journey.
Okay, so maybe this next story will inspire you to practice more, or maybe just discourage you. I don't know. There's a world champion chess player in Spain named Marc Barceló. He is among the best players in the world in his age group, which is 9 years old.
9? Wow.
But the really amazing thing is how fast he has gotten so good. Our reporter in Spain, Jerry Haddon, swung by Marc's home yesterday in Tarragona.
When I enter the Barcelos' downtown apartment, Marc doesn't even look up. He's got that chess look on his face, absorbed, intensely focused. He's playing a Blitz match against his mentor, José Sequeda, a guy who's been teaching prodigies for over 30 years. In Blitz chess, you have just 10 minutes to win or capture more of your opponent's pieces. Marc's won, laughs Sequeda, when the time's up. The clock ran out and Marc had the advantage. I had him cornered anyway, Marc says, matter-of-factly. It would have been checkmate with more time. Marc then holds out his little hand and shakes with his teacher.
Ganar está genial. Todos los deportes.
Of course, winning is great, Marc says, like in any sport, but in chess you have to learn to lose and win. If you win, he says, you don't show off or call your opponent an idiot. If you lose, you don't cry over it. Marc's polite and bright, and it's clear, extraordinarily good. In fact, he's ranked in the top 10 in the world by the International Chess Federation for his age. He's already won a silver medal and a gold in international competitions, and he's pretty much just getting started.
Claro, imagínate, eso fue en 2024 y Marc dice que comenzó.
Just imagine, says Sequeda, I saw the kid win gold in March 2024 in the Spanish championships, and he'd only been playing about 8 months, and he won it easily. He's got this ability to see the whole board, he says, and understands what's going on everywhere all at once. Less than a year before that win, Marc was just your typical Spanish kid obsessed with soccer.
Era medio, creo.
I think I played midfield, he says, scratching his head. The number on my jersey was 12 or 13. I can't remember. No time for looking back anyway, he says. He's got rooks to take, queens to corner. Chess is his passion now. While we're chatting, Marc's dad, Javi, watches on, a wry smile on his face. He's the one who set these pawns in motion. It was summer, and Marc didn't want to go to day camp, he recalls.
Trabajamos en casa y necesitábamos que estuviese entretenido de alguna manera en casa.
My wife and I work from home, he says, and we needed something to keep him busy. So I thought, chess. He likes games where you have to think. I could see immediately that he had something. While Marc's parents worked, Marc would watch YouTube videos on chess basics and strategy. He started playing against people online. Javi says he saw how his son kept winning against ever better opponents.
No, a los 2 meses me ganaba.
After a couple of months, Marc was beating me, he says. At 4 months, we started bringing in pros to teach him. Like José Sequeda, who, by the way, is an international master, the second highest ranking for chess players before grandmaster.
Marc u otro estudiante pues son cosas diferentes, porque por ejemplo en el caso de Marc.
I give every student different advice, Sequeda tells me. With Marc, I tell him he needs to give it everything he's got, as fast as he can. He needs to capitalize on this raw talent now, he says. To earn yourself a place in the chess world, he says, the initial push is very important for your reputation. In Marc's case, you might think he's already got that handled. A few weeks ago, he beat Spain's most powerful player, political player, that is. The video's gone viral.
Trátame bien, ¿eh? Soy presidente del gobierno.
Go easy on me, Pedro Sanchez tells him. I'm the head of the Spanish government. It was a staged event in a chess cafe in Madrid. Spanish Prime Minister Sanchez knew who Marc was, but maybe not how good he really is.
Fue divertido porque yo no jugué muy agresivo.
It was fun because I played really aggressively, Marc says. I didn't give the Prime Minister any opportunities. I don't care who I'm playing against, he says. All my focus is on the board and the board alone. Speaking of which, I confess to Marc that when I look at a chessboard, all of the possibilities overwhelm me.
Diré a ver 10 jugadas. 10 jugadas no mal pensadas, sino bien pensadas.
When I'm playing, he tells me, I can see at least 10 moves and counter moves ahead. And they're well-thought-out moves, he assures me. Nothing half-baked. Oh, yeah, I say. I nod toward the board. The challenge is on. That's the sound of my pieces being swept from the board in what could be called Operation Mop-Up.
Soy más un hombre de checkers.
You know, I'm more of a checkers guy, I say to Javi after, casually trying to salvage some dignity. But 9-year-old Marc does it for me. He smiles politely and says, I enjoy checkers too. Then, like he did with Jose, the international master, he offers me his hand. The kid's got greatness and grace. For the World, I'm Cherry Haddon, Tarragona, Spain.